Hello everyone, welcome to Tura Spatial. Today, I will teach you how to create a DEM to streamline using an automated workflow using a model builder. So let's get started. So first of all, let me add a DEM file to my ArcGIS. Go to the add section, add. So the DEM file has been added into our ArcGIS. So let me create a Arc tool. So go to the Arc tool section, go to the Arc toolbox here, right click, add a toolbox. So let me add a toolbox here. Go to the section called New Toolbox here. Click the New Toolbox. Now enter Create a Streamline. Now click the Create Streamline. Open. Wait for some time. The tool will be added to your Arc Toolbox section. So the Create Streamline has been added into your Arc Toolbox. To create your model, go to the Create Streamline tools. Right click, go to a new section and go to Model. Now the Model Builder section has been opened. Now, so let us create a model tool from to DEM to streamlines. So first of all, go to the model section, go to the model properties, go to the name, enter the model name. In this case, I will enter as create streamlines. Go to the label section, create streamlines. Now click OK. So in this case, invalid tool name has been came as an error. To resolve that, go to the section. Uh, so to resolve the error, you have to no space should be given between in the name section for the create and stream. The space should be removed. Now click OK. Now it has been indicated that create streamlines. So let's get started. Now go to the search section, enter fill. So we have a fill tool here. All you have to do is click and drag. The fill tool has been inserted into our model builder. So next, to create your model, go to the search engine, enter as flow accumulation. Now we have a flow accumulation spatial analysis tool. Click the tool and drag to your model builder. So this section is just called a model builder. So let us connect both the tools, fill and flow accumulation, using the connect section. Here, click the connect, click the output surface raster. Now connect to flow accumulation. Click. So make sure you give input flow direction raster. So to get further, to add the further, so let's get into further. So go to the search section, enter as raster calculator. So we have a raster calculator spatial analyst. Click and drag to the model builder. So we have a raster calculator tool now. To connect the raster calculator, go to the connect section and click the output accumulation raster to raster calculator. So to connect a raster calculator and the flow accumulation, go to the arrow section, enter into the raster calculator, and make sure you click output flow accumulation raster. Double click it. To generate a streamline, you have to do is to make sure your output flow accumulation raster is greater than 1000. So let's click OK. So your output flow accumulation raster and raster calculators are now connected. So go to the search section. Let us add another tool to our arc builder. So the tool name is raster to polyline. So we have raster to polyline conversion. This tool, conversion tool, raster to polyline. So click it and drag into our arc builder, that is our model builder. So let me go to this section, this side, and drag this to this section. Now go to the connect section. Connect the arc raster calculator to raster to polyline as an input raster. So now our model builder is ready to go. So let us add a DEM file to it. For that, let me change to arrow symbol. Click, right click the fill tool, go to the section called make variable from a parameter as an input surface raster. So we have an input surface raster. So let me add a DEM file to it. So here it is input raster, input surface raster. Let me add a surface raster, that is in this case the digital elevation model. This is the digital elevation model. Let me click that. OK. Now you can see that if the model is right, you will get a variety of these colors. If as a model is not working, then it will be coming like a white color. It will be like in a white color. So make sure that you validate the entire model. So now the model is good to go. So let me make some changes. As right click, go to the rename. Let me change this file name as input DEM. Let me click OK. Now our file model builder is ready to run. So this is our model builder to create a DEM to create a streamlines from a DEM. So let me rename as rename. Let me name it as output streamlines. Click OK. So let me make sure that our model works. Get into this. So okay, we have clicked our model. Okay, now let us run our model builder. So let me click this, run. So you can see that now that the DEM file has been converting towards streams, and it is undergoing to different tools as a process. As an output, we'll get as a streamlines from a DEM. So let us wait for some time. So now we have some errors. The errors like possible empty feature class, failed to execute, raster to polyline. So let us solve this issue. Let me close this. So let me add another tool to our existing model. So go to the section called search, enter flow direction. So we have a flow direction spatial enlarged. So let's add this tool into our model. So this is our flow direction tool. Let me disconnect this. So go to the section called, or go to the arrow. Let me delete this connection. Delete. So let me add this flow direction into our existing model. So let's get started. So go to the section called connect. Now connect the output surface raster to our flow direction as an input surface raster. So now let me connect the flow direction fill, the flow direction raster, that is flow direct fill, to our flow accumulation. Connect to flow accumulation. Input flow direction raster. So go to the section called auto layout. Now click the auto layout. All the tools will be arranged automatically. Now click auto layout. So you can see that the tools has been arranged in a well designed way. So this is our tool. Uh, so let me run the tool. So now let me add the DEM file again. Go to the input DEM. Now make sure you enter the DEM clip. So give OK. So now let us try and run the tool again. So this is our model tool to create from DEM to create a streamlines from a DEM. So let me run this now. Go to the section called run. Now click. Let us wait for some time. Now the process is running to convert the DEM, our digital elevation model, into a streamlines. The model has been run. It has been completed. Let me close this file. Now go to the section called output streams. So make sure that you add to the display. Let me click add to the display. I will minimize now. So this is our flow accumulation raster, which has been overlain by raster calculator, and over that we have output streams. Let me show you that. Let me turn off this flow accumulation raster, and let me turn off this raster calculator. So this is our streamlines. So now we have converted from a digital elevation model to a streamline. So our model is completely working. Let me go back to the model. Let us make sure that we click as a model parameter. Now, let me click the input file as a model parameter. Now, go to the save section, save. Now, let me close this model. Now go to the Arc toolbox section. Let me go to the create streamlines. So all you have to do is to enter your clip file, that is your DEM file, enter DEM. Now select your output location. Let me click as a streamlines. Let me add a folder called results. Save. Okay. Now let us run our create streamlines. So yes, our model has been working, and our new tool has been created now. It's called create a streamlines using a digital elevation model. Let me close this. Let me remove all these files. Let me remove this streamline files. I'm going to use only the DEM file now. Go to the section called R tool. And, now double click on create streamline. Just in the create streamline sections of our model. Now enter our DEM clip. Now select the output location to streamlines 2 as our second test. Save now. Now click OK to run our tool. This tool is particularly designed to convert the digital elevation model, that is the DEM, into a streamlines. Let me verify this model. So it has been run successfully. Let me close this. Let me turn off this DEM file. Now this is our streamlines. So in this way you can able to minimize your time and maximize your efficiency. Just by you don't have to repeat all the steps and again. In this way you can automate the workflow. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Terra Spatial.